Hello everyone, this is Ankit from Kailasha Foundation Fun and Learn portal. This is your Missions and Allegations Minimock 2 solution video. It was requested by the students to make a video of this as well. So here it is. Let us take a look at the first question. 10 liters are drawn from a drum full of water. So originally there was water and replaced by pure milk. Okay. Again 10 liters. So repeated operation and what is the capacity of the drum? Okay, let the capacity be A. So milk and water is in the ratio 9 is to 16, but originally there was water. So water and milk is in the ratio 16 is to 9. Milk and water is 9 is to 16, so water and milk is 16 is to 9, and water remaining proportion is 16 by 16 plus 9, that is 16 by 25. Okay, so 1 minus 10 by a square is equal to this, because the operation is repeated two times, so square. 1 minus 10 by a square is 16 upon 25. Taking root, 1 minus 10 by a will be equal to 4 by 5. So 10 by a will be equal to 1 by 5. So a is equal to 50. Hence none of the above. A milk solution has milk and water in the ratio 3 is to 2. Okay. Milk and water in the ratio 3 is to 2. What part of the solution has to be substituted with water so as to reverse the ratio of milk and water in the solution? 3 is to 2. Let us assume 30 and 20 liters. Okay, and if I remove some part of the solution, then milk and water both will be removed in this ratio only, 3 is to 2. Okay, so if it is 50 liters and I am removing half, so 25 liter I am removing, so 15 and 10 will be removed. Okay, if I'm removing one third, then the ratio will be the quantities will be in proportionate to that. Okay, so here in the options, half, one third, one fourth, and one fifth is there. So it is advisable to assume the total quantity of the solution to be multiple of 3, 4, 5, and 2. Okay, to go with the options, but to calculate by following the complete process, there will be a different approach. I'm telling you both. Okay, so 3 is to 2. What part of the solution has to be substituted? Say x part of the solution has to be substituted with water. Okay, x part. So milk is 3, water is 2. If x part is removed, then 3x milk is removed, 2x water is removed, and we are adding water in replacement to this, so 5x water we are adding, hence 3 minus 3x, okay, by 2 minus 2x plus 5x, that is 2 plus 3x, that I told you in the previous video also. This equals the reverse ratio, that is 2 by 3. Okay, straight and simple. So 9 minus 9x is equal to 4 plus 6x. Okay, so 5 is equal to 15x. X is equal to 5 by 15, that is 1 by 3. There are two vessels A and B, each containing wine and water in the ratio 2 by 7 and 1 by 4 respectively. When 20 liters of water is added to the contents of vessel A, the ratio of wine and water in both the vessels will become equal. Okay, so 2x and 7x it was. Okay, and 20 liters of water is added. Now the ratio becomes equal, that means it also becomes 1 by 4. If initially the quantities of wine in both the vessels are same, okay, so we'll find x, and we'll know that quantity of wine in the second one is also 2x. In both of them, the quantity of wine is same. Okay. How much wine should be added to vessel B? So the concentration of wine in vessel B will be equal to initial concentration in vessel A. Okay. Okay. At first we'll find x, then we'll proceed. So it is 8x is equal to 7x plus 20. Okay. So x is equal to 20. 2x is equal to 40. If it is 40, then 1 is to 4. So second one will be 160. 40 wine, 40 liter wine and 160 liter water is there. Okay. Now, what should I add? Now, instead of x, we'll use y because x we have already used. What quantity of wine should we add so that the concentration becomes equal to the initial concentration in A, 2 by 7? Okay. So 280 plus 7y is equal to 320. 7y is equal to 40. Y is equal to 5.714 liter. Okay. Y is equal to 5.714 liter. So none of these. Next question is, there are three vessels with equal volumes filled with mixtures of water and milk in the ratio 1 to 2, 2 to 3, and 3 to 4 respectively. Okay. So the milk, water and milk in the ratio this. Okay. So milk quantity in the first one is 2 by 3. In the second one is 3 by total, that is 3 by 5. And in the third one it is 4 by 7. Okay. The three quantities in equal volumes, so no problem, add and divide by 3. This will be the milk to water ratio, no, proportion of milk in the mixture. This will be the proportion of milk in the mixture, and then we will find the what the question asks. Okay. So now, so it is 193 by 315. So 193 by 315 is the proportion of milk. Okay. So 122 by 315 will be the proportion of water. No problem. What proportion of the mixture in the vessel should be substituted by water? It's not asking to add water directly, but to substitute it by water. Okay. So that the milk and water in the resulting mixture is 50% each. No problem. Just take a look at this question. 3 is to 2 was the given ratio and desired ratio was 2 by 3. Okay. So 193 by 122 is the given ratio. 193 by 122 is the given ratio. Okay. Now, if I am removing x proportion from the mixture, then Uh, 193x will be removed, and here 193x will be added. Okay, and the ratio will be 1 by 1 because 50% each. Now 193 minus 193x is equal to 122 plus 193x. Hence 386x is equal to 71. So x is equal to 71 upon 386. This question was calculative. And the quantity of water a milkman should add to 25 liters of milk costing rupees 450 to him. Okay. So that by selling the mixture at rupees 15 per liter, he recovers his cost. Okay, 25 liters costing 450, that means 18 rupee per liter. But selling at 15 rupee per liter, he has to recover his cost. So selling at rupees 15 per liter, he has to recover 450 rupees. That means he need to sell 30 liter, but he has only 25 liters, so 5 liters water he'll add. That's straight and simple. Two vessels A and B of equal volumes contain milk and water in the ratio 3 to 2 and 2 to 1 to the brim respectively. 2 liters of solution from vessel A. Okay. Okay. Two vessels A and B of equal volumes contain milk and water in the ratio 3 to 2 and 2 to 1 to their brim respectively. 2 liters of solution from A and 3 from B are poured into a big empty vessel C. Okay. So milk is 3 by 5 in the first one and 2 by 3 in the second one. 2 liters from the first and 3 liters from the second are mixed. Okay. Now, if the solution in C occupied 40% of the capacity of C, what proportion of the volume of the vessel C should be the volume of water that shall be added to, so that the ratio, okay, that will be discussed later. At first we'll determine what proportion of milk is there in the poured solution, okay, in the vessel C. So it is 6 by 5 plus 6 by 3 by 5. Okay. So milk is basically 16 by 25. So water is 9 by 25. Hence water and milk are in the ratio 16 by 9. What proportion of the volume of vessel C should be the volume of water that shall be added, so that the ratio of milk and water in vessel C becomes 1 is to 1. Okay. Out of that 40%, the which is occupied, out of that 40% which is occupied, 9 by 25 is basically water. Okay. And we have to make the ratio 1 is to 1. So we have to add more 7 by 25 of that 40%. Okay. So 7 by 25 of that 40, then it will be 16 by 25, that will be equal to milk. So 7 by 25 of 40%. Okay. Yeah, 7 by 25 or 40%. So 14 by 125, what 14 by 125, that means none of these. Okay. I'm repeating this question. I'm repeating this question, how I solved it. Let me show you. Uh, 3 by 2 and 2 by 1 is the ratio. Okay. So milk is 3 by 5 in the first one and 2 by 3 in the second one. 2 liters from A and 3 liters from B. The proportion of milk will be 6 by 5 plus 2. That is 16 by 5, 16 by 25. 16 by 25 is the proportion of milk. So 9 by 25 is the proportion of water. We need 7 by 25 more of that. But this 9 by 25 is of 40%. So 7 by 25 of 40% is required. That is 7 by 25 into 40 by 100. That is 14 by 125, none of these. Okay. Now question number 7. Two varieties of coffee and we are mixed in the ratio 3:2. The mixture is sold at 100 rupee per kg at 100% profit. So 50 rupees was the price, cost price. Okay. Because 50 rupees profit added 100 rupee per kg selling price. Okay. If variety A costs 10 more than variety B. So this is x plus 10. And the ratio is 3:2. So we can say 6:4. So here it is 6 and here it is 4. Okay. Variety A costs 10 more than variety B. So it is not x plus 10, it is x minus 10. Okay. So 50 minus 6 will be 44 and 50 plus 4 will be 54. So 54 and 44 are the price. See, you can see 54 minus 50, that is 4, and 50 minus 44, that is 6. So 6:4, that is 3:2 is the ratio. And when mixed, it is okay, no problem, 50 rupees per kg. Sold at 100% profit, so 100 rupee per kg. And 10 rupee difference, everything confirmed from the question. What is the cost of variety B per kg? 44. Two cans contain mixtures of milk and water. The first can contains 73% of water while the second can contains 41% of water. The contents of two cans are mixed in the ratio 3:5. What is the percentage of milk in the new mixture? Okay. 73 into 3 plus 41 into 5 by 3 plus 5, 219 plus 205 by 8. This is 424 by 8. 8 fives are 40 and then 8 threes are 24. 53%. In a manufacturing company, the average salary of wait. Question number 8, there's a mistake. Yes, 53% is the see 73% of water and 41% of water. So 53% is the percentage of water, not the percentage of milk. It is asking about percentage of milk. So D will not be the correct answer. C will be the correct answer. 47%. Okay. Now, question number 9 and in a manufacturing company, the average salary of all the 6 production managers is 8,000, while that of the administrative employees is 3,500. The average salary of production and administrative 8,000, 3,500, and it is 4,000. 4,500. Okay. So it is 1:8. So production managers is to administrative employees, the ratio is 1 is to 8. Say 100 employees are production, 100 production managers are there, but here it is clearly written all the 6 production managers. So it is 6 and it will be 48. 48 administrative employees are there. Okay. All the production managers are males. Okay. And in the administrative employees, the females get an average salary of 4,500. Male counterparts gets an average salary of 3,000, and it is 4,000. So females and males, it is 500 and it is 1,000. So it is 2 is to 1. 48 will be divided in 2 is to 1. So 32 females and 16 males. 32 females and 16 males are there. How many men are among the administrative employees of the company? Only administrative. So 32, no, 16. Just a minute. How many men are there among the administrative employees? Okay. Females get an average salary of 4,500 and their male counterparts get an average salary of 3,000. Yes. So female is to male is 2 is to 1. Males are 16 and females are 32. How many men are there among the administrative employees of the company? Yeah, there's a mistake. The average salary of administrative employees is not 4,000, it is 3,500. Okay, it is 3,500. So it is 500 and it is 1,000. So it is 1 is to 2. 1 is to 2 is the ratio of females is to males. So 16 females and 32 males are there. 32 males in the administrative section. So this is the answer. By what amount does the total salary of all males exceed that of all females in the company? Okay. All males, that means 3,000 into 32 plus 8,000 into 6. This is the salary of all males. And 16 into 4,500. This is the salary of all females. This is 96,000 plus 48,000. 144,000. And this is 72,000. So by what amount does the total salary of all males exceed in 1,000 rupees? So 72,000, because the difference between these two is 72,000. Okay. So this was your solution video. If there is just some problem in the video, then you can report to me on 8294600829. Okay. If there is some missing part, some audio problem or video problem, the video quality or any kind of technical glitch, or if some solution you think it is wrong, you can report to me on this over WhatsApp. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Happy learning. Bye bye.